We are glad you decide to visit our gardening channel. Today's video will serve as an introduction to the fascinating hobby of growing roses. The experience of growing roses in your own garden can be very fulfilling, as roses are one of the most well-liked flowers. Whether you are an experienced gardener or just starting out, you shall find useful information in this book that will allow you to cultivate and maintain roses of the highest quality. The key to a flourishing roses garden is picking the right rose varieties. Think about things like where you live, how much sunlight you get, and your own preferences. Different types of roses such as hybrids, floribundas, climber, and shrub roses are among the many possibilities. Roses need soil that drains well and has a high organic matter content to flourish. Make sure your garden bed gets at least 6 hours of sun every day. It's important to water your plants regularly, but you should not drown them. Mulching the soil around the plant's bases can help keep the soil moisturizer and prevent weed growth. Planting and pruning correctly is essential for rose plant health. Plant the rose at the same depth it was in the nursery plot, which will require digging a hole slightly larger than the root ball. Find out how to prune your roses the right way for the specific type you have. Aphids, spider mites, black spot, and powdery mildew are just some of the pests and diseases that can attack roses. Preventative maintenance and prompt diagnosis are essential. Consult your local gardener center or use organic method of pest control. Roses require a balanced fertilizer that has been created for them. During the growing season, adding fertilizer can help plants thrive and produce more flowers. Remove fed bloom on a regular basis to promote new growth. The act of tending a rose garden can be both relaxing and rewarding. If you follow the advice in this manual, you shall have a rose gardener that will be the talk of the neighborhood. Let's put our gardening gloves and get to work. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with other rose lovers. Have fun in the dirt. Your time in viewing this video is greatly appreciated. Please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you found it useful, entertaining, or informative.